All right, guys. So Seth and I just came out for a little break from school and work, and we just had to run some errands too. But I really have a taste for a chai tea latte. I have not had a chai tea latte in so long, like years. So I think I'm gonna get one because the next place we need to go to, there's a Starbucks next door. So I'm gonna do that. It's been a productive day. Been busy doing lots of work stuff and YouTube stuff. But yeah, we just came out to take a break, get some fresh air. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna run and get me a chai tea latte and then grab some lunch and then head back home. And yeah, we'll see what we get into when we get back to the house. All right, guys, so we are back home now, and I thought I would try this feta pasta recipe that has been all over Instagram. I think it is a TikTok recipe. I'm not sure because I don't have TikTok, but I've seen a few people that I follow on Instagram do this, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get out a try tonight for dinner. So that is what we are going to get ready to make here now. So I've got the tomatoes. I'm gonna do mine a little different. I'm gonna add mushroom. I was watching Lux Mommy yesterday and she added mushrooms to hers, and I was like, oh, that sounds good. So I'm gonna add mushrooms because I love mushroom. I have the feta here. I'm gonna add some fresh basil. I'm gonna cut it up. Got some olive oil, garlic powder. I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning, pepper, and some minced garlic. So I'm just getting ready to add my pasta. I'm also using penne pasta instead of spaghetti because I like penne pasta better. Also, something different that I'm doing, I'm gonna do mine on top of the stove instead of putting it in the oven. So I hope that turns out good, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So got my pasta going, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff going, and then I'll come back and show you guys. All right, so I got my minced garlic here and basil. Smells really, really good. And my pasta is just about done. So I'm gonna give this a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna start like mashing it all up. And we're also gonna make some brownies tonight for dessert. All right, y'all, it's time for the taste test. It's good. All right, I see what the hype is about. It's good. It was super easy to make too and very quick. So yeah, if you guys want to try it this way, it does work. I was afraid it wasn't gonna work with me doing it on the stove, but it's really good. Yeah, this is good. Try it. If you've been thinking about trying it, go ahead and try it. All right, so that is going to do it for today's vlog. I know this one was a little shorter, but we really just been like running errands today. Nothing too exciting. So yeah, also a couple of you were in my friend Kiana's live last week, and I kind of popped in the middle of it, and some of you had mentioned that you want me to do longer vlogs. And I kind of brought this up a while ago, but I know that I have a lot of new subscribers. So my way of vlogging is I like to do shorter, more frequent vlogs throughout the week. Because if I do a long vlog, you guys will just probably just get like one vlog a week. I'll just like condense everything into one. I like to do vlogs that I like to watch, and I'm not a fan of super long vlogs. I have way too much other stuff going on, and I am a full-time working mom as well. So yeah, that just doesn't work for me. And so for me, I don't like to take up a lot of your time in my vlogs. So that's why I do 10, 15-minute vlogs. But I do upload frequently. So yeah, I like to upload 2 to 3 videos a week, maybe more depending on what I have going on. But yeah, just wanted to touch on that. If I do long vlogs, you guys won't get more like vlogs throughout the week. And I think you all like more uploads versus like longer ones. So yeah, guys, that's just what works for me. I hope that's okay. But I have to fit YouTube into my life. I kind of have a lot of other things going on as well. So yeah, YouTube is definitely something that I just have to fit in. So that's why I don't do super long vlogs. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me. I will share I'll share some things that I picked up. I do have some other stuff coming, so I wanted to do kind of like a pre-spring haul for you guys. So I'll be sharing that with you all next week. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for coming along with us today. If you have any questions or comments, just list them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.